Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be making this a Lego fidget cube, or a Lego fidget puzzle. Anyway, so what we're going to be doing is breaking this apart. Okay, these are what you're going to need. Okay, these are the pieces you're going to need. This piece won't stop rolling away, I'm sorry. Alright. Now this piece is just a piece with a Technic piece right there for a little circle one. And this piece right here is for an axle piece. Alright. You're going to need 4 of these. This piece is half axle right there, and then half Technic right there. This piece is just a 3x3 long Technic piece. Alright, let's get into the build now. Okay, you want to grab one of these and put this through at the end. Just put it through the Technic hole. And it should look like this. Like that. Alright. Next you want to grab 2 more. And with their Technic holes, you want to slide it through just like that. So now you should have 3 of them. I'll demonstrate this 3 by doing that. Alright. So now that you have 3 of them on the same axle, they should all be able to freely move around. That one can move, that one can move, and that one can move. Alright, that's good. We have these pieces left. Stick the axle part of this piece into the axle part of this piece. Just like that. So now you have these 2 pieces. Wait, no, I messed up. Take out this, instead of putting the axle piece in, put in the Technic piece. There we go. Now you have these 2 pieces. One with an axle sticking out, and one with an axle hole right there. Now you already know where we're going. Stick that in, and boom, it's done. One thing I like about this is how smooth it is. Just look at it. It's so smooth. I like that. And second, you can just twist it all around. Twist all these pieces like that, like that. It's really fun to fidget with. You can just twist it. And it's so smooth too, and it's pocket sized. I hope you like this video, and I hope you enjoyed.